Multiple choice questions on the topic. Assessment of basic curricular skills for learning disabilities, covering ZEGO. Assessment of readiness skills. Assessment of reading, writing and mathematical skills. Teacher-made tests. Standardized tests. Need, types, purpose. Interpretation of test reports. 1. Which of the following is not a readiness skills? A. Alphabet recognition. B. Number identification. C. Abstract reasoning. D. Shape matching. Answer. C. Abstract reasoning. 2. Readiness skills are generally assessed at the YEST. A. Primary level. B. Secondary level. C. Preschool or early primary level. D. Graduate level. Answer. C. Preschool or early primary level. 3. The main purpose of assessing readiness skills is to A. Diagnose speech problems. B. Evaluate academic achievement. C. Determine preparedness for formal learning. D. Classify intelligence levels. Answer. C. Determine preparedness for formal learning. Doubts. 4. Which skill is a part of motor readiness? Doubts. A. Storytelling. B. Holding a pencil correctly. C. Letter sound recognition. D. Reading comprehension. Answer. B. Holding a pencil correctly. 5. A test that assesses school readiness is A. WIS, CB. Draw a person test. C. Bracken School Readiness Assessment. D. Stanford Binet. Answer. C. Bracken School Readiness Assessment. Day 6. A major focus in reading assessment is on A. Handwriting. B. Word recognition and comprehension. C. Finger grip. D. Listening skills. Answer. B. Word recognition and comprehension. 7. Which of the following indicates a reading disability? A. Slow decoding speed. B. Excellent listening comprehension. C. Good writing fluency. D. Quick reading with good accuracy. Answer. A. Slow decoding speed. 8. Reading fluency includes A. Legible handwriting. B. Speed, accuracy, and expression. C. Letter spacing. D. Vocabulary tests. Answer. B. Speed, accuracy, and expression. DO. 9. Which tool is used for reading skill assessment? A. Bender Visual Motor Gestalt Test. B. Gray Oral Reading Test. GORT. C. Raven's Progressive Matrices. D. Vineland Adaptive Behavior Scale. Answer. B. Gray Oral Reading Test, GATOT. 10. Reading comprehension is best assessed by A. Oral storytelling. B. Dictation. C. Asking questions based on a reading passage. D. Drawing a scene. Answer. C. Asking questions based on a reading passage. 11. Writing assessment does not include A. Handwriting. B. Sentence construction. C. Reading aloud. D. Grammar usage. Answer. C. Reading aloud. 12. Dysgraphia is primarily diagnosed through A. Observation and writing tasks. B. Audio assessments. C. Oral questioning. D. Verbal IQ tests. Answer. A. Observation and writing tasks. 13. Which of the following is a writing readiness skill? A. Essay writing. B. Tracing shapes and patterns. C. Solving equations. D. Grammar correction. Answer. B. Tracing shapes and patterns. A. 14. In assessing written expression, teachers look at A. Volume of text only. B. Coherence, grammar, spelling, punctuation. C. Speech clarity. D. Physical posture. Answer. B. Coherence, grammar, spelling, punctuation. 15. A child who writes with many reversals may be suspected of A. Dyscalculia. B. Dyslexia. C. Dysgraphia. D. ADHD. Answer. C. Dysgraphia. B. Dolgiation. 16. Which of the following is a basic math skill? A. Algebra. B. Subitizing. C. Calculus. D. Essay writing. Answer. B. Subitizing. 17. Assessment of math skills in early grades includes A. Essay writing. B. Oral reading. C. Counting, number sense, and pattern recognition. D. Science experiments. Answer. C. Counting, number sense, and pattern recognition. 18. An example of a math assessment tool is A. Key Math Diagnostic Assessment. B. Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale. C. Reading Rockets. D. Gesell Drawing Test. Answer: A. Key Math Diagnostic Assessment. 19. Children with dyscalculia may struggle with A. Identifying letters. B. Memorizing number facts. C. Telling stories. D. Coloring pictures. Answer: B. Memorizing number facts. 20. Which strategy helps in assessing math difficulties? A. Dictation. B. Phonics testing. C. Error analysis of problem-solving steps. D. Oral conversation. Answer: C. Error analysis of problem-solving steps. 21. Teacher-made tests are typically used for A. Large-scale national exams. B. Individual classroom assessment. C. IQ testing. D. Standardized screening. Answer: B. Individual classroom assessment. 22. Which of the following is an advantage of teacher-made tests? A. High reliability. B. Can be customized to class needs. C. National benchmarking. D. Always norm-referenced. Answer: B. Can be customized to class needs. 23. A major limitation of teacher-made tests is A. High cost. B. Limited flexibility. C. Lack of standardization. D. Complicated scoring. Answer: C. Lack of standardization. 24. Teacher-made tests can be used for A. Diagnosing neurological disorders. B. Formative evaluation and ongoing progress. C. National assessments. D. Legal disability certification. Answer: B. Formative evaluation and ongoing progress. 25. Effective teacher-made tests should be A. Unstructured. B. Randomly created. C. Objective-based and clear. D. Very difficult. Answer: C. Objective-based and clear. 26. Standardized tests are characterized by A. Flexible timing. B. Unstructured questions. C. Uniform administration and scoring procedures. D. Subjective evaluation. Answer: C. Uniform administration and scoring procedures. 27. The main purpose of standardized tests is to A. Entertain students. B. Determine classroom layout. C. Compare individual performance to a norm group. D. Grade handwriting. Answer: C. Compare individual performance to a norm group. 28. Which of the following is a standardized test for LD assessment? A. NIMH, ANS SLD battery. B. CBSE board exam. C. Internal class tests. D. Handwriting scale. Answer: A. NIMH, ANS SLD battery. DODS. Norm reference tests compare a student's performance to A. Their previous score. B. A national average or norm group. C. Their parent score. D. Teacher expectations. Answer: B. A national average or norm group. 30. Criterion reference tests assess A. Performance relative to other students. B. Mastery of specific skills. C. IQ levels. D. Personality types. Answer: B. Mastery of specific skills. A. 31. Interpretation of test results should always consider A. Only test scores. B. Behavior observations, test scores, and context. C. Teacher's personal opinion only. D. Student's family background. Answer: B. Behavior observations, test scores, and context. 32. Percentile rank in a test report indicates A. The exact score. B. Percentage of right answers. C. Relative position among peers. D. Total number of questions. Answer: C. Relative position among peers. DIGS. 33. In a test report, standard score helps in understanding A. Intelligence level. B. How far a student's performance deviates from average. C. Number of mistakes. D. Handwriting legibility. Answer: B. How far a student's performance deviates from average. 34. A diagnostic report should include A. Just raw scores. B. Interpretation, recommendations, and summary. C. Punishment strategies. D. Teacher remarks only. Answer: B. Interpretation, recommendations, and summary. 35. Test interpretation must be shared with A. Only the principal. B. Everyone in the school. C. Parents and relevant professionals. D. Neighbors. Answer: C. Parents and relevant professionals. 36. If a child scores below average, the best step is to A. Repeat the same test. B. Refer for further intervention and support. C. Suspend the student. D. Ignore the result. Answer. Refer for further intervention and support. Below. Interpretation of results should avoid. A. Using multiple sources of information. B. Labeling or stigmatizing the child. C. Recommending support. D. Including parents in planning. Answer. B. Labeling or stigmatizing the child. 38. Test results should be used to A. Compare children. B. Make judgments about intelligence. C. Plan individualized educational programs. D. Eliminate children from school. Answer. C. Plan individualized educational programs. 39. Which professional is qualified to interpret psychological test results? A. General teacher. B. Parent.